what makes it more interesting and more emotional, Mati? Kasi lumipad dyan si mom, 'di ba?
True.
How's the the feeling na nandun na mismo sa venue ang mother mo together with few of your friends and closest loved ones?
Overwhelming. Kasi alam mo yun yung driving force ko eh, kung bakit ako nag-join this time around. Sinabi ko kasi dati, after Idol, hindi na ako magko-compete ulit kasi nga, I hate putting myself up for scrutiny, for the world to be like, oh, you're this, you're that. Para i-judge ka, kumbaga ganon. Ayoko na ulit yun. Pero the reason why I joined again is because ang layo ko sa pamilya ko, ang layo ko sa Pilipinas, ang layo ko sa mga Pilipino. And as much as I am achieving these things with musical theater, yung mga gig natin sa ganito, sa ganyan, none of the people back home see it. So for me to have them there and witness a moment like that, alam mo yun, naka-golden buzzer pa. So, sobrang overwhelming, tsaka sobrang touching because these are the people that have shown me so much love. And this is my family. This is my driving force as to why I do what I do every day and why I strive for being the best that I can be. So it was just really nice to have them there and sobrang relieved ko rin kasi nga more than having them see me perform in person again, naka golden buzzer pa. So thank you universe, thank you Lord.
Correct.